going there, baby, bitches. I need, baby, bitches, come away. You know how long you trying to get away. I didn't do it for the right, baby. Make ever get you with my machine gun. Yeah, but. Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a video of how I do my passion twist. So to begin, the first thing I did was to part my hair. I did this in halves, the front from the back in half, and then I divided the front section into two halves and also divided each subsection into halves, and then from there I parted my hair into smaller sections to prepare it for the twists. So for today's video, I'll be using the Fritters braid extension pack, the water wave extra long, color 27 for this video. So to begin twisting, the first thing I did was I took a strand of hair and I separated it. Then I also unraveled a section of twist that I had in my hair, and the first thing I did was I braided the extension hair to my hair because the extension hair was loose in texture and I wasn't trying to risk it by starting off with the twist, so I decided to braid the roots and continued with twisting as I go. So this is day 2. I ran out of hair in the process and I'm only left with about 5 twists, and that's what I'll be doing today. So once again, I just braid the passion twist hair strand to my hair, and after I'm done braiding the roots, I continue twisting the ends. This is what my hair is looking like after the hand twist. Let me give you a quick 360. By the way, I didn't know the video stopped recording after I turned my back, so I attached a video and some pictures to show you guys what the hair looked like after I was done. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, see you later. Bye.